Yeah.
Hello.
We hiked forever, and we finally.
In the treacherous rain, we're soaked to come to this beautiful waterfall.
And here is the waterfall. Oh man. Danger, danger, falling rocks. Whoa.
There's a chance we could be trapped here because of the mudslides and all the rain coming off the mountain, because it hasn't stopped pouring since we got here.
And we're having a picnic.
But we had fried chicken.
So this is what we were wearing. Keeps us dry. We did it.
No, that's not going to look cute.
Yeah. Okay, stop it.
This is the path we walked on.